kay JB? Sama-sama, syempre, hindi lang naman ikaw. Laki ng ngiti mo eh.
Wala, I think challenge para sa amin kasi alam naman ng lahat gaano kalaking part si JB sa national team, especially sa system ni Coach Tim. Siguro yun yung challenge na sa harapan namin. So bawat isa dapat talaga magtulong-tulungan para matakpan namin yung pagkawala ni JB for this window. But I think we're practicing hard naman to prepare the team for this window and hopefully makuha natin yung dalawang panalo para mas bigger chance para makapaglaro tayo sa World Cup.
KQ, you've been getting a bigger and bigger role every time you come back for Gilas Pilipinas duties. So how are you, paano mo ginagamit yun na basihan para makita how much you improve pag bumabalik ka playing for Gilas?
I mean, from the start na kinuha kami ni Coach Tim at the very first window, sinabi ko lang sa sarili ko na stay ready lang every time. Whenever the opportunity na may dumating, isize ko lang yung moment and make the most out of it. And I'm thankful and blessed na may mga teammates na binibigyan ako kumpiyansa every single game. So yeah.
Ganda ng new qualification.
I mean, for me, bigay lang namin yung best namin as a young guns dito sa team. I mean, kung ano lang kaya ko i-contribute, gagawin ko lang for the team, for the country.
Same thing. Siguro kung ano lang yung pwede kong may ambag sa team na maging effective kasi iba yung team na to eh. There is a lot of talent in this team so dapat we stick on our role kung anong dapat namin gawin to help the team win the 2 games na parating. It's gonna be crucial for us, especially sa amin ni KQ kasi wala si Justin. I don't think naman na magawa namin yung ginagawa ni Justin. I mean, no one in our team can be like Justin, but I think kung ano lang kaya namin na ibigay para lang matulungan yung bansa natin.
Kevin, can you just talk about being comfortable dun sa role mo? Kasi nga, every window nakikita namin na talagang consistent, even yung outside shooting mo, maganda lagi yung napapakita mo.
For me, yung opportunity dumating lang. Tinake advantage ko lang siya. And yeah, yung points ko naman is galing to sa system. So yeah, for me, I'll just keep working hard na maging mas maging fluid pa on the upcoming windows.
Final call for questions. Raise your hand.
Sa kay Carl and kay Q, ano lang yung pakiramdam na andito si Kai for this window? Pero wala yung bakit.
Siyempre malaking bagay kasi alam naman natin anong impact ni Kai sa game. Yung size niya, yung talent niya, yung IQ niya sa game. Matagal na namin na naantay si Kai na join the national team. I think malaking bagay kasi mababago yung takbo ng laro namin, especially defensively and sa rebound. Sobrang mas maging matibay tayo sa part na yun sa laro. I'm very happy na Kai nakabalik na healthy. I'm looking forward talaga sa this window for Kai.
Para sa kanya, I'm very happy na nakabalik si Kai. Alam naman natin, siya a big piece for this Gilas team. And nakita naman natin, last na naglaro siya, yung gano'ng kalaking impact yung nabigay niya sa atin. So, yeah, I mean, sobrang laking tulong ni Kai for us. And, ayun nga, we'll just do our roles lang and stick to the system.